Since 1948, Solar has been recognised in the industry as one of the leading manufacturers of quality spraying equipment. Our top selling 15 litre backpack sprayers are the model 425 and 475. These sprayers are perfect for weed control, pest control and all agricultural applications. They are the #1 sprayer used by councils, nursery professionals, contract gardeners and farmers. There are many shared features between the two of them. They both have an easy action pumping action. The handles can be changed from left to right operation. They both have large caps with quite wide filling areas. They both have a heavy duty gun. The handle is fully adjustable. It actually has an operating position which can be extended in or out. And it also has an easy carry handle which also allows you to put the wand inside to make it easier to cart around. The only difference between these two sprayers is the type of internal pump mechanism that they use. The 425 utilises a piston type action which produces up to at maximum 90 psi of pressure. However, the 475 uses a diaphragm action which maximises out at around 60 psi. Some chemicals and such products as wettable powders and marker dye will crystallise inside the piston type sprayers and cause abrasive action to the piston and can cause premature wear on the sides of the cylinder. It is imperative when you're using these sprayers is when you finish to flush them out with clean water. The 475 using a diaphragm action does not have this problem. It is equipped to handle the abrasive chemicals, the diaphragm. We recommend the 475 when using these types of products. It is now the only product on the market too which has a stiffening bracket now. This reduces movement and wear on the pumping action. The full range of Solo wands and accessories will fit both of these models, and for more information, more videos on assembly, use and maintenance, visit www.solosprayers.com.au.